As we embark on this next exciting chapter of your journey, may you have the courage to follow your own unconventional path, knowing that it's often the road less traveled that leads to the most extraordinary destinations.
All the late nights and the hard studying pays off at the end.
If you're a mother, even of 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can still graduate.
It really does go fast. They weren't lying.
Just kick ass. Just enjoy it.
Oh, it's a video. It'll be a good time.
Today, I hope that you all celebrate safely, and I want you to know that this is truly a big, big deal. You're ready, you have the competencies, you've proven that to this tough group over here, our faculty, and you're ready to go, so congratulations. I think you've also become more resilient and stronger during your time with us. And those are skills and strengths that our communities need. They look for that resilience. Well, this is an epic day, and it is, and you should celebrate. It's the future that we want you focused on, and your next steps of helping. And so we are celebrating with your friends and family, and I loved the people that have yelled out a little bit. I love that you were looking for your family members. I think that's great. You should be proud of them. Yeah.